Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign up for the Krispy Kreme Rewards Program. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Krispy Kreme? You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now, I'm using an Android phone. That's why I can get it on Google Play Store. So launch any of the applications, and in the search bar, go ahead and type in Krispy Kreme. Follow through with the on-screen prompt to download and install. After installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create an account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Krispy Kreme. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to sign up for the Krispy Kreme Rewards Program. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features, which include home, rewards, other stores, and gifts. Go ahead and click on rewards. And it's going to take you right into the rewards window. So here's your rewards that are ready to be redeemed. Sweet. Now you have this first one, which is Krispy Kreme Rewards Member Exclusive. Buy an original glazed dozen and get another for this. So you can also regular hot drink combo for this as well. So let's say we want to use this original glaze. So you can click on that, on this particular reward, and read the prompt. Says buy an original glaze, they're going to get a second for 5.50 euros with Krispy Kreme rewards. So once you buy this original glazed dozen, and you order a second one. So ordering a second one, you're going to get it for free using the Krispy Kreme rewards. All right, so you can now go ahead and click on add to wallet. Once you click on add to wallet, you can get this that says offer successful. So it means now that you can buy an original glazed dozen using the order, using the order window. So that button of your screen, click on order, and you're going to find this original glazed dozen. So click on it, and once you click on it and you purchase it, after purchasing it, try to get a second one, and once you get in the second one, you're going to get it for 5.50 euros with Krispy Kreme reward, and you're not gonna with Krispy Kreme rewards rather, and you're not gonna have to pay for it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to sign up for Krispy Kreme Rewards Program. Now, this is just one of the others that you have here. You have a lot more rewards that you can sign up for, a lot more offers that you can sign up for. You can even head over to this reward tab and click on any of these rewards that are available to spend your smiles on. So that's pretty much it. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.